Hi friends, are you a content creator or influencer trying to create more content for affiliate marketing on your social media? I've been there. I'm Keely, a social media content creator, nano influencer, and social media manager here at ClickBank. I create and post a lot of the short form video content for ClickBank, and I do my own affiliate and ambassador marketing on my personal social media challenges with video content. I'm here to teach you the secrets of creating content on social media as an affiliate. Creating content on social media is such a great way to get started as an affiliate. Social media has so much untapped potential and is an amazing way to grow your reach. Social media channels are sort of like the Wild West of content creation, with fast-moving trends, new types of content to create, and nearly unlimited ability to reach people in all corners of the world. That's why social media content creation is so great as an affiliate. One of the best types of content with the greatest capacity for reach is the short-form video. Creating videos for social media can feel daunting and like a lot of work. However, there's a ton of very simple, easy, and fun ways to make video content on social media that allow you to reach your niche's audience in a new way. Let's chat about how to make reels and shorts for affiliate marketing. Short-form videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram work differently than long-form videos you might find on YouTube. These are bite-sized bits of information that people engage with, and these videos quickly tell the story or get your message across. With short-form videos, you have to be able to easily condense information to be delivered in under 3 minutes on TikTok and Instagram and under 1:30 on YouTube Shorts, and make that content easy to consume. In a world where people can easily scroll past, making your videos engaging and worth watching to your viewers can be a challenge. That challenge can also be bypassed with videos that capture attention and tell a great story. If you're here, you've probably already created your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube accounts, and you have a link in your bio ready to rock. If you don't, go take care of those things and then come back here. Once your accounts are set up, it's time to follow 5 simple steps to find success with shorts and reels for affiliate marketing. You've got this. First up, it's time to research your niche. If you're unsure what your niche is or how to find one, check out our video on the top affiliate marketing niches for 2024 here. However, if you're new to affiliate marketing, you can't go wrong with health, wealth, or relationship as your niche for affiliate marketing. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to start researching what other people in your niche are doing. It's always super helpful to know what message they're giving to their audience and how you can speak to that audience in a different way that provides value to them. At the beginning of your content creation journey, research is seriously everything. Let's take an example of being in the health niche. I would start by finding other content creators that post within that niche, whether that's with multivitamins, supplements, or exercise, and take stock of what those content creators are doing. How do they speak to their audience? What kind of content do they post on the platforms that do well and receive a lot of engagement? How often do they post? Write down lots of notes and top takeaways during your initial research. Next, take some time to find an influencer or two within your niche. They're great examples of how they're targeting their content and what kind of products, links, podcasts, news, and other types of media your audience might enjoy. Once you've looked into other content creators in your niche, it's time to figure out who your audience is. With this example above, our audience is probably going to be women ages 20 to 35 who are into exercise, fitness, and nutrition. They probably watch reels that have to do with exercise and taking care of their body, they repost inspirational quotes, and they engage with other fitness people and influencers. Therefore, I'm going to want to implement a lot of exercise, fitness, nutrition, and inspirational posts into the type of content that I'm creating. Next, you're going to want to do plenty of research on the products within your niche that you want to sell as an affiliate. How would it benefit your audience, and why would they want to indulge in your products? If I'm selling multivitamins to my audience, what benefits do those multivitamins provide to their daily goals and lifestyle? Or how would these multivitamins alleviate their biggest pain points? Once you've gathered all the research you can, from competitor research to consumer analysis, it's time to begin implementing all of your research into a content creation plan that works for you and your niche. Now that we've done that, we're on to step 2, creating your content for making TikToks, Reels, and Shorts for affiliate marketing. First, you're going to want to decide how often you want to post. Some things to consider are your niche, your audience, and what messages you want to put out into the world. You can use all of your research to make the most educated decision on this. It's super helpful to put together a content calendar to help you stay on track with your posting schedule. Your content calendar should include dates for when you want your Reels and TikTok videos to go out, what the copy is going to be, what kind of post it is, and if you have a call to action on the post, and what that call to action is. Using a content calendar as an affiliate marketer is one of the easiest ways to create Reels and stay on top of your content creation. You don't want to worry about boosting your sales yet. That should be your overall goal, of course, but your main goal at first is simply to grow your audience to find the people who are interested in your product or products. In fact, one of ClickBank's most successful social media affiliates is TikTok star Brett Bowles. He built up his audience for 2.5 years before he started monetizing on it with affiliate products on ClickBank. You probably won't need to wait that long, but it's a good reminder of how important content quality is in growing your audience and building a trustworthy relationship with them. You can check out Brett's full story at the link in our description. It's amazing. I highly recommend using a content calendar as a driver to create your content. You can find templates online or even create your own using Microsoft Excel or Google Spreadsheets. I created a really easy content calendar in Google Spreadsheets. You can start making Instagram content by recording yourself doing generic things, even just taking a walk, making lunch, or getting ready for the day. You should start creating content that applies to your niche. Take long videos, short videos, and even videos you can just replay on a loop. It might feel awkward at first, but recording yourself in your day-to-day is the key to building momentum with content creation. In this health example, a lot of the content I would be creating is about working out, eating, exercising, or finding ways to inspire my audience. Talk to the camera, share information about your niche, and record yourself using the products you'd like to promote. Creating your content is all about getting into the mindset of the person who might purchase your products and finding ways to connect with them. Additionally, try to create a backlog of content to use. Taking videos of your day-to-day activities and also creating small looping videos is a really great default when you kind of run out of content for the week, but you still need to post. Creating a backlog of content to use when you're running low is really helpful, trust me. In addition to posting the videos you've created yourself on Reels and Shorts, you should repost your videos on your stories to gain more views and traction. You can even link to your products from your stories to help promote your affiliate links. At this point, you've already decided who you're talking to, how often you're posting, and what kind of content you're creating. Now we can move on to step 3. Start posting your videos using trending sounds and text to find your audience and deliver the right message. Play around with captions, hashtags, and tagging locations until you find that messaging combo that really sticks with your audience. A great tool for getting started is to find and save trending sounds in videos. The more you use sounds or create videos that are similar to those that are currently trending, the more you're able to reach a larger audience. Some of this information can obviously be established during your research phase, but since trends move so quickly, it's easier to follow along and post as they come. That way you're staying on top of the trends on the internet, which can help bring you more consumers and expand your overall audience reach. Since we're talking about how to make Reels for affiliate marketing, it would be an amazing idea to engage with and collaborate with fellow affiliates. You can do this through duets and stitches, which is a great tool to reach more people and even connect with like-minded creators. This will help you connect more with other people's audiences who may not have otherwise been exposed to your content. The more you post on social media, the more your followers will grow. Be consistent with your posting and build your community up. It's not going to happen overnight, trust me. But when you take the steps to post consistently, follow trends, and utilize data to continue to evolve your content, posting schedule, and types of content, you'll see your success really start to snowball from there. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Social media, like I said, is seriously the wild west for content creation, and the more you're willing to try new trends, the more you're likely to reach your audience. It can feel like a challenge at first, with so much saturation in the content creation world, but keep your head up and keep going strong to build up your followers. Once you begin posting, we can move on to step number 4, making sure to engage with your community. Comment on other people's videos, have conversations, and reply to the comments on your content as well. This step is honestly one of the most important parts of building out your brand and keeping your content alive and trending. As an affiliate creating content for your business, you have to be able to maintain your image. The more you can keep your brand image up with comments on other people's posts, reposting other people's content, and engaging with the people that comment, like, and follow your content, the more you can build your business as a brand. Not to mention, when platforms like Instagram and TikTok look at content creators, they're looking not only at the kind of content you're creating, but also at the way you interact within the platform. The more you start to engage with other pages, influencers, and brands, the more the social media platforms are going to boost your content within other people's algorithms. They want to see content creators who are active on the platform, not just people who post their content and immediately leave. There is a sweet spot for this, as you don't want to engage too much and come off as spammy. Experiment with this until you find the sweet spot, Goldilocks style. As an affiliate on the internet, a great way to earn trust and build your business is to continue to engage with your people. Don't be shy. Chat with people in the comments of your videos. Have fun and enjoy yourself. The more authentic the connection, the better. Finally, it's time to start monetizing and making an income with your affiliate products. By this point, you've taken the time to build up your brand as an affiliate, develop your voice as a business, and get ready to start making sales on the product or products you're promoting. You've created your link or links to add to your link in bio with a link to your product or products that work within your niche. The next step is easy. Once you've taken the time to do your research, create your videos, post on your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube channels, and engage with your audience, you're ready to actually start making income as an affiliate. How do you do this? Easy. Get your audience to be interested in and purchase your affiliate product. You've already established your base audience, and now it's time to begin selling to them and making sales. We break down different ways to monetize your audience in a different video, which you can find at the link in the description. Lastly, have fun. The more you have fun, the more people are going to enjoy your content. It might feel like a chore to get started, but the more you enjoy yourself throughout the process, from research to creating to engaging, the more that energy is going to come through in every part of the process. Your audience will feel your joy through your content, and you'll enjoy making your videos. I made a video on my personal Instagram recently that highlighted a few of my affiliate links. I'll walk you through how I did it as an example of how to combine all of the steps we just outlined. I wanted to do something simple, just an easy day in the life video. I recorded my whole day from waking up, brushing my teeth, going to the gym, taking a yoga class, working, eating, and everything in between. I combined all of these clips and did a really simple voiceover. I did all of this in the Instagram app. It's super easy to edit my reels in there. Then, I found a trending sound with a decent amount of uses and views, but not too many that my video would be drowned out amongst the others. I added a nice caption with a good call to action to find the mentioned products at the link in my bio. From there, it was as easy as posting, resharing on my story, and engaging with anyone who commented. I remained on the Instagram app to engage with some other content creators too, and then I was done and waiting for people to click my links. It was really that easy. Okay, so now it's time to get out there, make reels for affiliate marketing, create content, and build your brand as an affiliate. Good luck. Be sure to tag us when you start making content. If you want to find the best affiliate marketing products for content creators to promote, you can click here or in the description. If you want to learn how to create an Instagram landing page, you can click here or in the description. To learn more about affiliate marketing in a minute and a half or less, you can check out our reels on Instagram in the description. And if you're feeling extra generous after all this clicking and you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking here. That's all. Bye!